Today, we're going to show you how to replace the latch pusher hardware on your Force Kraken Trolling Motor. For this process, we will need a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a 4mm hex bit driver, and the replacement latch pusher hardware. Make sure the trolling motor is in the stowed position before replacing the latch hardware. Then, remove the 3 screws securing the right shroud using a 4mm hex bit driver. Remove the right shroud. Repeat this process with the left shroud. Now, remove the tension springs holding the foot lever. Take note of where the tension spring hole hooks on the mount. Remove the 2 screws holding the latch pusher on the right and left side of the mount using a No. 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Pinch and remove the latch pusher from the outside to release it. Repeat this on the opposite side. Pivot the latch pusher linkage on each side of the mount up 45 degrees and slide off to detach the foot lever. Attach the latch pusher linkage on both sides of the trolling motor mount. Slide the latch pusher linkage onto the slot of the foot lever at a 45-degree angle and pivot it down to align with the mount slot for it. Ensure the cradle hook is positioned in the slot of the latch pusher linkage. Insert the latch pushers on each side of the mount to the latch pusher linkage. Tighten the 2 screws on each latch pusher using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, attach the 2 tension springs for the foot lever. Now, reattach the left and right shroud. Lastly, tighten the 3 screws on each shroud using a 4mm hex bit driver. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.